Huh.
Mom.
Where are you going?
Mom.
Come back.
Mom.
You woman. You just had to come in at this exact moment. Ruining my fun, didn't you? HMH, I'll crush you. Hey.
Mom. Mom.
Hey. Hey. Ooh, this kid.
Dad, please let Mom go. She didn't mean to.
Stop calling her mom, damn it. If you call her mom one more time, I'll drown you here too. HMPH.
Oh, brother Wen. Let me tell you, drowning him is too good for him. I don't care. I want to see how hard his skull really is.
He shouldn't get off easy. Brother will show you a trick. Ha ha ha. HMPH.
No.
Mom. 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 Mom.
Ouch.
Someone's coming. Here, right here. Quick.
Mom.
1, 2, 3, go.
Mom. Mom. Give me back my mom.
Hey.
You useless girl. You dare bite me? Go down there and join that dead hag.
Mom. Mom.